Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I kind of told you that I'm going to be doing the follow-up video on the IK foam sprayer. So what I have in front of me here is the IK Foam Pro 2. And if you look at the video at the bottom here, description, I've done the unboxing. But I told you guys that I'm going to do kind of part 2, how this thing performs. So let you have a look over here. I foamed up the vehicle. I was able to do the entire vehicle just for a test. And if you look over here, hopefully you show on camera. See what I'm talking about? This thing produces a lovely foam, like you see over here. Now see how much I left here. So I can still kind of do like a little bit inside. But here we go, I just want to show you. So I foamed up the entire vehicle because quite a few times these car washes have the lousy soap, and now I'm gonna be able to get that really nice car wash on my daily here. And again, what I will do for you guys, I'm gonna link the description down on Amazon where you guys can get one of these, and I get a tiny bit of commission. But I'm waiting for this thing to develop, and the soap is really rich. It has a wax in it, so it will really give me a nice car wash. But this is basically that. See, it's coming down. So I just wanted to give you a little update what you can expect. Like I said, this is the second updated version. So IK Foam Pro 2. So the first ones were kind of hit and miss, but these were really much upgraded with better handle, security feature here. You see? I'm pretty happy with it. Hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe if you care.